So we are back, and we are back with a brand new feature. Yes, I'm back from holiday, and today I have a challenge for you all. So this is a brand new feature I have found. I have not seen it anywhere before, and if you have not had this feature before or seen this feature before, you need to tell me in the comments underneath. And if you're a brand new watcher and you haven't seen this feature before, you have to subscribe for free. How does that sound? Brilliant. We're not going to go through all the things. We're going to go straight onto this feature. And it is built into the latest Fire TV updates. I need you to also let me know if you have this feature yet. I am using the latest Fire TV Cube free with the latest update. So, first things you need to do is get your Fire TV device, Fire Stick, Fire TV Cube, whichever device you are using, fully up to date. So, go across to your settings. Go down to My Fire TV. Click on About, and then click on Check for Updates. So mine has been updated on today, 9th of April, Easter, happy Easter, Fire OS 7.6.1.3. So let me know which version you are using and if you've got this update. The next part of this update, from our home screen, we need to go back to our settings. Then you can go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. It's a brand new feature in here, as well as mobile devices is the one we're going to use. You've also got hearing aids. Hearing aids is one I can't demonstrate for you or test, but the mobile devices is brand new. So what you can do here, let me get my mobile phone up for you as well. So now I've got my mobile device on the screen. You'll see up that way, up the top there, you could link your mobile device so you can play all your audio through your TV device. This is actually really cool and really useful. I'm going to show you how. So first things first, you click on where it says mobile devices on your Fire Stick. Mine's showing up there. Let me just turn it on because you need to pair them. Hold down on your Bluetooth and it will search for your device as well. I'm just going to unpair this one so we can do it again, okay? So you click on Add Mobile Device. It's searching. It's found my Chris's Z Fold 3, which is my mobile device. Okay, so you select it. And while that's pairing, it will pop up with a code. As you'll see, the code circled on the screen now is also on my mobile device. And you have to check they're the same. So it's 337689. Click pair on your phone. And click pair on the Fire TV device. They are now connected. So what this means now is we can now play our audio from our device, from our mobile phone, through your Fire TV stick, so through your TV. So if you wanted to play, for instance, your Spotify, or for instance, if you wanted to watch your YouTube on your mobile phone, you could watch, say, my YouTube on your phone, but you want the audio from your Fire Stick. Okay? So I'm watching it here on my phone, as you'll see on the screen. About these features, shall we say. So there's two features. I guarantee you don't know about both of them. And the audio was coming out of my Fire Stick. Obviously, once you finish with that, you may want to disconnect it. So you can just disconnect it. You can just disconnect it in your Bluetooth devices again. So you just click on it and it will be connection with Chris's Fire TV Cube has ended. So now that won't play the sound, but you can repair it whenever you want. And you can then play your audio through it. This might be useful for people who watch things on their phone, or you might just want to play your audio from your kitchen in your Fire Stick without directly sharing it. It's just set up to play. I find it quite good. The only thing you can share at the moment is the audio, but hopefully you like that. If you want to unpair, as you see on your Fire Stick there, push the 3-line button, unpair. Again, now, challenge was, have you seen that feature before? Let me know in the comments if you have or haven't. And again, if you're a brand new watcher here, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't seen that feature before. It was a deal, right? Brilliant. So, what else we have to offer for you guys, if you are brand new here, is all your Fire TV and your streaming content. We have tons of stuff for making your Fire Sticks and Fire TVs better, as well as we have tons of videos on setting up your devices, movies, TV shows, the lot. All here, all ready to go. I'm back from my holiday. Thank you everybody who's wished me, hoping I had a good holiday in previous comments. But we're back, ready to work, ready to roll, and we've got tons of videos coming this week. So make sure you're paying attention and turn those notifications on. So, quickly before we leave, a quick word from one of our partners. NordVPN is also linked underneath. NordVPN is a partner of ours. They are a VPN, a virtual private network to help you stay safe online, and we have an exclusive offer. As you'll see at the top there, my status is protected because I have my NordVPN online on my computer. It could also go on your Fire Sticks and your Fire TVs and keep you safe online. Get the deal, and here you can get your trackers and ad blockers, malware protection, secure high-speed VPN, all for as little as £2.59 a month, plus 4 extra months on there on the cracking deal they offer. Brilliant. So, I'm out of here. I have been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. I hope you like that new feature. We've got some brilliant videos coming for you this week, before I probably go on holiday again. It is what it is. So, hope you enjoyed that. Hit that subscribe button. Regular watchers, hit that share button, and I'll see you soon.